This Wednesday, we have potentially a very big catalyst that's going to be affecting cryptocurrencies in your crypto portfolio. We're going to be talking about that in this video. We're going to be talking about why the crypto market has seen red today. Is this over for the current bull run? Are we going to see a continuation of this bearish move? What's going to be happening to your favorite cryptocurrencies? In this video, we are going to be addressing all of these very things, so make sure you watch into the very end. Now, in my video yesterday, I warned you all that Shiba Inu and cryptocurrencies were likely to dip because usually after cryptos have been very green, especially if there's been an entire green weekend and many green days before, usually on Sunday nights when the futures markets open up in the US, you will see red. You will see a little bit of a pullback as traders are taking profits. That also continued on throughout today, which is Monday. So we saw a further pullback with Shiba Inu, with Ethereum, with a lot of our favorite cryptocurrencies, and that was expected, as I did tell you all. And if you were in the Patreon, I told you to sell Shiba Inu near the very top before the pullback came up, giving you an opportunity to buy at a 13% discount, as well as other cryptocurrencies. So we're seeing a little bit of a healthy pullback, and I do believe it does have to do with the Fed is going to be speaking on Wednesday about 2:20 p.m. Eastern time, to be specific. And before that, at 2 p.m. exactly, the Fed meetings minutes is going to be released, where they're going to be talking about what they're going to be talking about. And they're going to be talking about inflation. They're also going to be talking about how inflation is lowering, and a lot of traders are anticipating some volatility, and that is why we are seeing cryptos take a dip right now. And depending on what the Fed says and how they are going to react to the lower than expected inflation or the CPI reading from last week, can push up cryptos and stocks a lot further. So people are kind of just waiting on the sidelines to see what the next move are. Some people took profits and they're just waiting for the volatility to play out, as we are heading a little bit lower right now. Now, I do believe that cryptocurrencies will probably continue back going up this week and later this week. And we're seeing a little bit of a pullback right now. We could have a little bit bigger correction than more people are expecting, because if you just take a look at the Shiba chart, you take a look at Ethereum, I mean, cryptos have pumped up significantly in just the past week, and a healthy dip, a little bit of a dip, is completely normal before we head up further. So that's kind of expected right now. And of course, that dip is happening right now as I'm making this video. So overall, if we just take a look at the charts, we are very bullish. Cryptos are very bullish. We are in an uptrend. But since we have had so much green and there is a catalyst taking place Wednesday, there is likely that we could see the continuation of this dip before heading up, because people are going to take profits. And whenever there is a big catalyst taking place within a few days, usually traders will sell off or they'll buy before the event, anticipating some type of news. So we could possibly, if we're having a dip right now, if we continue this dip tomorrow, it is very likely that usually when there are sell-offs before a particular event, the opposite move of the sell-off happens on the event or the day of the event. So we could continue this dip until Wednesday or Thursday and continue to go back up. That's my opinion. And there's nothing in the charts that is indicating to us that we're going to be seeing a crash or a major correction. But what we can see in the charts and through some indicators is we can see that a healthy pullback is in the cards. A little bit further dip is likely to be taking place, and that's most likely going to be in the cards as well. So this is nothing to be fearful about, nothing to panic about, but just to kind of chill and let's just see what the Fed says on Wednesday. And it is very likely that they're going to say something bullish on Wednesday. The reason for this is because inflation has been coming down, and the Fed, they've been having to be very aggressive with raising interest rates, which is not good for stocks or crypto, because inflation kept going higher and higher and higher. But since inflation has come down, a lot of people like myself are expecting the Fed to actually come out somewhat bullish and say, okay guys, inflation is coming down, this is good, we're not going to have to raise interest rates as aggressively and as much as we have been doing. And if the Fed does come out and say something like that, I would conjecture that the markets would respond in a very bullish way, and that we'd probably continue pumping and going up a lot further. That's my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys think the Fed is going to say. Let me know what you think the the reaction in the crypto markets is going to be based on what the Fed is saying. Now, if you want to get access to buy and sell alerts, specifically when to buy and sell, I highly recommend you join tier 3 in the Patreon. The link is in my video description, where we are making money every single week. I highly recommend it, as we have been making nearly over 100% trading Ethereum the last 30 days. Another example is we sold a Shiba Inu at the very top yesterday, near the very top yesterday. So congratulations if you followed my advice. And make sure to claim your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit by using the link in my video description. Bybit is a crypto trading platform where you can make money when the market goes up or down, no matter what. Highly recommend it for my followers. And using my link, you can claim up to $5,000 by just depositing crypto over there. Highly recommend it, as the fees are super cheap compared to any American exchange out there. Super well trusted by many traders around the world. And also, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, I have a course and mentoring program to get you to that level of expertise and technical analysis, so you can learn how to make money trading cryptocurrencies at your own time, own pace, and at your own home, creating an additional stream of revenue through trading cryptocurrency. If you are interested in that, apply with the link in my video description for the crypto course and mentoring program. Now, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you all later.